Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn Palak Paneer recipe. Palak Paneer is a traditional North Indian delicacy and is an integral part of the Punjab cuisine. And this Palak Paneer is made of blanched spinach and soft paneer. And this restaurant style spicy Punjabi Palak Paneer recipe prepares yummy curry by cooking deep fried paneer cubes in a healthy spinach gravy, which is saturated with the finely balanced curry spices in aromatic butter or ghee. You'll see ingredients: palak leaves about 5 cups, paneer 200 grams cubed, onion 1 large chopped finely, tomato 1 large chopped finely, and a ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and kasuri methi 1 spoon, and garam masala powder 1 tablespoon, shahi jeera 1 tablespoon, fresh cream 2 tablespoon, butter 5 tablespoon, and salt to taste. Now we'll see directions to prepare. First we'll see how to make palak puree. Add a palak with a 1 cup of water in a saucepan and boil it for 5 minutes, and then drain leaves from water and let it cool and make it into a fine paste. Now fry paneer cubes in butter and keep aside. In a kadai, add butter and heat it up. Add in cumin seeds and cook for 1 minute. Now add in the onions and fry till golden, and it will take 5 minutes. Then add ginger garlic paste, green chili, and sat for a minute. Now add tomatoes and cook till oil separates, and this will take 5 to 7 minutes. Now pour the palak puree and mix well. Cook it for 10 minutes. Don't cover the pan. If you cover, you won't get the rich green color. Now add in kasuri methi leaves, garam masala powder and salt. Add in the required amount of water if needed, and mix well. Now add the fried paneer cubes and simmer the gravy for 15 to 20 minutes. Add a dollop of fresh cream and mix well, and then switch off the flame. Now colorful greeny palak paneer is ready. While serving, add some more butter. Serve hot with paratha or puri. Additionally, this recipe as we used milk cream, it brings in rich creamy texture. So creamy and spicy palak paneer. Apart from serving tasty Punjabi palak paneer gravy with various Indian breads like kulcha, butter naan, and lachha parota, and can also be enjoyed with the steamed rice or jeera rice and bundi raita. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.